In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to use Proton VPN on your PC. We will cover everything from installation to key features, including some settings or the reviews might overlook. Let's get started. The first step is to create a personal account on Proton VPN. After that, simply download and install the app from the Proton VPN website. The installation process is straightforward. Just click through a few next and agree buttons and you are good to go. Once installed, open the app on your desktop. The interface is simple and easy to navigate even for beginners. The primary feature you will see is the server list. From the main dashboard, scroll through the list of available servers and locations. Once you find a server you want to connect to, just click it and hit the connect button. Your IP address will change to the server's location and your internet traffic will be encrypted for privacy. You can easily switch between servers by repeating this process with over 4,800 servers in 91 countries. There is no shortage of options. Proton VPN also comes with some additional features that enhance your security and overall experience. NetShield. NetShield blocks ads, trackers, and malware. It provides extra protection by stopping online threats. However, it may not block all ads like some YouTube ads, but it still adds value to your online experience. Then Secure Core. This feature routes your connection through two servers, providing an extra layer of privacy. One server is owned by Proton VPN and located in a country with strong privacy laws. This makes it even harder for anyone to track your online activities. Then kill switch. If your VPN connection drops, the kill switch feature disconnects your entire network to prevent data leakage. You can also customize Proton VPN to fit your specific needs. The Profiles tab allows you to save specific server preferences, including server types and countries. This is especially useful for streaming or torrenting, so you don't need to manually select the server every time. In Quick Connect, you can specify preferred server types and countries for quicker connection. Simply set it up in the setting and the app will automatically connect to the best server based on your preferences. Then split tunneling. This feature lets you whitelist specific apps or websites that you don't want to route through the VPN. It's perfect if you want to access local services while using a VPN for other tasks. Then alternate routing. If Proton VPN detects censorship or blocks, it will automatically try alternative routes until it finds a working connection. You don't have to do anything. It's all handled automatically. To customize speed, Proton VPN has a VPN accelerated feature. It reduces network congestion and latency, improving your connection speed. When I tested Proton VPN, the speeds were consistent and smooth. Even when connecting to distant servers in the UK and Japan, the connection remained fast with minimal lag. With fast speeds, Proton VPN allows you to access content from streaming services that may be blocked in your region. It works well for all major platforms, and with servers in 91 countries, you will have plenty of new content to explore. Additionally, Proton VPN provides P2P servers, making torrenting easy and secure. Since Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, torrenting is legal, so you don't have to worry about restrictions. If you ever need assistance, Proton VPN offers live chat support, email contact, and a guide center on the website. As for pricing, the longer subscription plans are the most affordable. The free plan is available, but it has limitations compared to the paid options.